Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert CSV to Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Where can you find Excel? You can find it in the Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store, search for Excel, and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download the app. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to convert CSV to Excel. So first, I'm going to head over to the top right corner, left corner rather, where I have File. So select File, and in here, just go ahead and click on New. And in this new, go ahead and click on blank workbook to open a blank workbook. So in this blank workbook, head over to the top corner where you have File, Home, Insert, Draw, all the way down to Help. Now go ahead and click on Data. After selecting Data, you're going to see this option here that says From Text to CSV. So click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to take you right into the next window where you can now import the CSV file. So go ahead and select the CSV file. So I have this custom office template or something. Okay, that doesn't seem like something that has a CSV file. So I really do not have a CSV file though. So just head over to not in CSV. Okay, I don't think that's a CSV file anyway. So go ahead and click on import. So let's assume that that's CSV. So just click on import. So now we're here. So you can actually change the delimiter, and you can change the data type detection, and even the file origin. Okay, so for the file origin, we're going to use Western Europe Windows, which is here. So you can click on this to change it to what you want, but Western Europe Windows is what is going to be needed. And then the delimiter, you're going to have to select the delimiter, either you're using a comma or you're using a semicolon. So if you use a semicolon, a comma, that just shows how it's going to be displayed. So this is semicolon, this is how it's now going to be displayed in your worksheet on Excel. Or if you use a comma, this is how it's going to be presented for you. This is it using a comma, using a colon. This is what you get using a colon. This is what you get using a comma. So after that, you can click on this data type detection, let's say based on first rows or based on entire data asset, or do not select data type. So you can click on based on first rows, and that's just really going to work for you. Then after doing that, go ahead and click on transform data. And once you click on transform data, you will see that it's going to be added. So you have this one now that says multi-timeline. So this is how to so this is a preview. This is how it's going to be displayed in Excel sheet. So this is Excel, right? And this is the file, and this is how it has been uploaded. You want to keep the changes, you can keep or you can discard, but that's just pretty much the process. That is how you can. Okay, so here it has been added. That's a query, so you can now save it. What are you saving it as? Let's say query CSV, and open if you want to open. So queries, okay, file name, okay, that's okay. So just exit this. So this has been added now into Excel. This is my Excel, and this is what we added to Excel. That's a CSV file. So it has been added here, and this is like sheet 1, something entirely new. So this is the name of the file. If you want, like book one Excel, if you want to rename, go ahead and click on file and click on rename. But this is pretty much what you get. This is how you can convert CSV to Excel. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.